Struggling with joint pain, stiffness, or limited mobility? What if I told you that your joints can regenerate and you don't have to live with pain forever? Keep watching to learn how. Most people believe that once cartilage is gone, it's gone for good. Doctors often say joint damage is irreversible, and the only solutions are painkillers or even surgery. But what if I told you that your body is designed to repair and rebuild cartilage naturally, if you give it the right support? I've helped countless people restore mobility and reduce pain without medications or invasive procedures. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful ways to stimulate cartilage regeneration and move pain-free again. So these are the 3 secrets. Secret number 1. Your body can regenerate cartilage if you give it the right nutrients. Cartilage is made up of collagen, proteins, and essential minerals that keep your joints strong and flexible. As we age, these building blocks decrease, but you can stimulate cartilage repair and regeneration by adding the right nutrients. Key nutrients like collagen, copper peptides, MSM, glucosamine, and chondroitin can help your body rebuild, regenerate, and strengthen joint cartilage. Secret number 2. Inflammation is destroying your joints. Here's how to stop it. Chronic inflammation breaks down cartilage over time, leading to stiffness, swelling, and pain. Reducing inflammation is key to protecting your joints. Simple changes like cutting out processed foods, increasing omega-3s, and adding turmeric and ginger can drastically reduce inflammation and protect your cartilage. Secret number 3. Your joints need movement to regenerate. Many people think rest is the best solution for joint pain, but lack of movement actually worsens the problem. Gentle exercises like walking, swimming, and stretching help stimulate synovial fluid, which nourishes your cartilage and keeps your joints healthy. The key is to move without strain. Low-impact activities like yoga and Tai Chi can protect and strengthen your joints. If you're dealing with joint pain, arthritis, or stiffness, don't wait. Your body can heal with the right support. I offer a free 30-minute consultation where I'll give you through a personalized joint regeneration plan. Let's get you moving pain-free again. Book a call today.